On this video today, I'm going to show you two websites that are going to pay you to answer some basic questions. You can earn up to $300 daily using these websites. The best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to answer these questions. Everything is so simple, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can join these websites and then begin to earn money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, so that I will show you everything that you need to know about these websites. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first website is userinterviews.com. You are going to search for userinterviews.com. Once you search for it, you can see their website right here. This website is going to pay you to participate in research studies. You can see right here, share your opinions, get paid. It is that easy. You are going to be paid to participate in research studies. As you can see, earn money for your feedback on real products. With over 2,000 studies launching monthly, your opinions are in high demand. So they need you to participate in product research so that you can get paid. There are a lot of different product owners who upload their products here so that they can get opinions of potential consumers, so that they can improve on the quality of the product. So you are going to participate in those studies. Sometimes they'll give you a product to test, sometimes they will give you a website that you can browse through and then give your feedback. So what you need to do is that you have to create your account so that you can join the website and then participate in the research studies. The first thing is that you have to create your profile, build your personal profile, and start browsing studies to find those that interest you. We will email you good fit studies too. What they are telling you is that you can browse through and then find research studies that you want to participate, and sometimes they can also send you some suggestions, and if you like, you can participate and get paid. Once you build the profile, the next step is that you are going to apply to the studies. You have to find the studies that you want to participate. Once you find it, you have to apply so that they can recruit you to answer some basic questions about the product so that you can get paid. Once that is done, you can see show up and get paid. Once you are recruited, you have to sign up for the session. Once you sign up, you have to complete the questions that they are going to give you. Once you complete the questions, you are going to get paid. Well, as you can see, someone has participated and this is a testimony. I enjoy my user interviews experience because I get to help companies all over create products and services to help serve people around the world, and that makes me feel great. So this is the excitement of someone who has used the website. As you can see right here, these are some of the participants who are sharing their experience using this website. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. You can see many people are using the website. The website is trusted by big companies like Adobe, Spotify, Pinterest, and many others. So this is a legit website that you can share your opinion and get paid. When you scroll down, you can see online tests and surveys. These tests are going to last for 10 minutes and you can earn from $20 to $300. You can see online interviews. Some are going to last for 30 minutes to 1 hour and you can earn from $20 to $300. Online diary studies, some can take 3 days, some can take more than that, and you are going to be earning $55 to $400 plus. You can see it right here. So it depends on the kind of test that you take. You can see online focus groups. It takes up to 1 hour to 3 hours. You can see all online studies. Some are going to take up to 30 minutes to several days, and you can earn from $20 to $1,500 plus. So this is a great source of passive income that you can earn from home. And the best part is that you are also going to be sharing your opinions on products so that product owners can improve on the quality of those products for consumers. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can participate in research studies. But before you create your accounts, I'm going to show you some of the studies that you can participate to earn money from home. To find studies, you are going to click right here, browse online studies. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can filter the kind of studies that you want. You can see if you want in-person studies, you can click on that. Over the phone, you can click on that. Online, you can click on that. One-on-one interview, you can click on that. Focus group, multi-day studies, unmoderated tasks, any of them that you want, you can filter it here. In this case, I'm not going to filter it. I'm going to go through all of them so that you can see everything. You can see the first study is collaboration components. You are going to be earning $110 to participate in these studies. You can see it is going to last 1 hour 30 minutes. So if you participate in the studies for 1 hour 30 minutes, this is the amount that you are going to earn, $110. Apart from that, you can see, are you well versed in your company's approach to access control when it comes to integrating new software? Your insights are invaluable to us. If you participate in this study, you are going to be earning $100, and the study is going to last for 1 hour. You can see the venue is online, and you can see one-on-one interview. Sometimes they can make a video call and then interview you. You don't need to be at the physical location. You can use your laptop, you can use your phone to participate in the interview. So when you scroll down, you can see new setup, looking for feedback from expert appraisals. The study is going to last for 30 minutes and you're going to be earning $25. Even if you are not an expert, there are certain studies that do not need any skills or experience, so you can participate in those studies and you are still going to be paid. You can see right here, open to talking about health and aging. You want to chat, you are going to be earning $100 and the study is going to last 45 minutes. When you scroll down, there are many other studies that you can participate. You can see professional gardener. We want to hear from you. You are going to be earning $15. The study is going to last for 30 minutes. The venue is online. You can see it right here. One-on-one interview. So when you scroll down, you can see, are you a mom living in the United States? So if you are not living in the United States, you can participate in this study. So you have to skip it and then move to the next ones. You can see there are many of them. Run YouTube campaigns with brand suitability reporting. You are going to be earning $100 and the study is going to last for 1 hour. As a score, you can see a whole lot of them. Seeking your opinion on personal care. You are going to be earning $75 and the study is going to last for 1 hour 30 minutes. You can see the venue is online and the type of study is focus group. Wherever you are in the world, you can participate in this kind of research studies because the venue is online. So what you need is a computer or a mobile phone with internet connection. Once you get those equipment, you can participate in the surveys. Now if you want to get more information about the survey, you can click on it and then read more. But you can see right here, they have a date here. This is the start date. If you are using a computer, you are going to start the studies on 14th September 2023. If you are using a webcam, you are going to start 18th September 2023. If you want, you can click on it and then read more about the studies. So let me just click on this one for you to see. Once you open it, you can see this is the description of the offer. You can see everything. You can see these are device requirements. So you must have computer with webcam. You cannot use tablet or a smartphone. They only need a computer. So if you have a computer with webcam, you can apply to participate in this study. To apply, you are going to click right here, apply to participate. But you must create an account before you apply to participate. Once you create your account and then click on apply to participate, you can get access to the study and then you are going to be paid anytime you complete the studies. Apart from that study, you can just scroll down and then select the one that you want. You can see this study right here. You are allowed to use smartphone, tablet. You can see it right here. Computer with webcam. So if you are using a tablet or smartphone, you can participate in this kind of survey. You can see it. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can participate. You can see a lot of different studies that you can participate to earn money from home. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can participate and then make money from home. Apart from this website, there is another website that is going to pay you to participate in research studies. The name of the website is respondent.io. On this website, you can get paid to share your knowledge and experience. So what they are going to be doing is that they are going to be asking you questions about products, and once you are able to participate, you are going to be paid. When you scroll down, you can see the categories. If you participate in a study under software and developers, you are going to be earning $200 per every study that you participate. Under marketing, you are going to be earning $150 per every study that you participate. You can see under executives, you are going to be earning $700 per every study that you participate. Under enterprise software users, you are going to be earning $750 per every study that you participate. Under business owners, you are going to be earning $500 per every study that you participate. Sales and support, you are going to be earning $100 per every study that you participate. So what you have to do is that you have to select one of them so that you can participate in those studies and then get paid. The easiest one is marketing. You can participate in marketing surveys and then get paid. The next one is sales and support. So those are the two easy categories that you can participate to make money from home using this website. You don't require any skills. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can participate and then get paid. To sign up for an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up and then participate in the survey so that you can be paid. If you want, you can click on refer friends. Once you click on refer friends, they are going to show you how you can make money just by inviting people to this website. You can see get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to paid research studies. So if you invite your friends, you are going to be earning money on this website. You can see sign up as participant, refer friends to paid studies. Both you and your friends can earn money to participate in research studies. So if you invite your friends and family members and they participate in the research studies, they are going to be paid and you are also going to be paid. So what you have to do is that you have to invite people. You can see right here the average referral bonus is $50 and you are going to be paid via your PayPal accounts. So if you refer a friend, you can earn up to $50 just by referring them. You don't need to do anything else. All that you need to do is that you have to share a link to your friends and family. Once you share the link to them and they join and participate in the research studies, you are going to be paid $50 for that. You don't need to do anything else. They don't need to buy anything. So make sure you join the two websites so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.